Is that good, Hendrix?
Um,
Is it yummy?
Mama.
Yummy. You're doing a good job with your spoon.
Oh.
Yeah. Look at you, big boy. Getting down to the bottom, aren't you? It's a little trickier. Good job. Good job. Hendrix, can you smile for mommy? Can you smile? Can you say cheese? Say cheese. I think someone is going to need a bath.